Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between the picturesque mountains and the serene sea, lived a young boy named Samuel. Samuel was known for his radiant smile, but as he began to grow, his perfect smile started to lose its charm. His sparkling teeth began to crowd and overlap, making his smile less appealing. People started calling him the Ugly Duckling. But little did they know Samuel was just going through a phase in his dental development known as the Ugly Duckling Stage. The Ugly Duckling Stage, a term coined in the realm of dentistry, is a normal phase of dental development. This stage is characterized by the temporary misalignment of the upper front teeth, often observed in children between the ages of 7 to 11. During this period, the central incisors often appear to be flared or angled away from each other, creating a gap that can make the smile seem less than perfect. This stage is a part of the natural eruption process of the permanent incisors and the development of the jaw. As the jaw grows to accommodate the adult teeth, the incisors are pushed apart, leading to this temporary misalignment. The name Ugly Duckling stems from the story of the duckling that initially appears unattractive or out of place, but eventually grows into a beautiful swan. Similarly, this stage, although it may seem concerning, is a transitional phase leading to a beautiful, mature alignment of the teeth. The Ugly Duckling Stage plays a vital role in dental development. It allows for the proper spacing and alignment of the adult teeth as they begin to emerge. In most cases, the misalignment corrects itself over time as the permanent canines erupt, acting as a natural brace to push the incisors back into their correct positions. However, it's important to note that the Ugly Duckling Stage does not correct severe misalignments or crowding. It is crucial to consult with a dental professional if the misalignment persists beyond the expected age, or if it is accompanied by pain or discomfort. In the tale of our young friend Samuel, as time passed, his ugly smile blossomed into a perfect set of aligned teeth, restoring his radiant smile. His journey through the Ugly Duckling Stage was a necessary transition that led to his beautiful, mature smile. In summary, the Ugly Duckling Stage is a normal, temporary phase of dental development occurring between the ages of 7 to 11. It is characterized by a temporary misalignment of the upper front teeth and is a part of the natural eruption process of the permanent teeth. While it may initially cause concern, this stage usually self-corrects over time, leading to a well-aligned, mature set of teeth. So remember, just like the ugly duckling in the well-known fable, this stage in dental development is merely a transition, a stepping stone to a beautiful, well-aligned smile. And just as the ugly duckling turned into a beautiful swan, so too will the temporary dental misalignments transform into a perfect, radiant smile. And while we're halfway through, do consider subscribing to Mind Musings, your one-stop destination for all things intriguing and enlightening. Now, isn't that a toothy tale to tell? Just remember, every ugly duckling has its day, and so does every smile in its own unique way.